here for the farewell dinner. It's kind of a bittersweet moment because this is it. After this dinner, tomorrow we all fly home. But that's tomorrow. Tonight we are gonna celebrate for another successful titanium mastermind. And check it out. It's a beautiful layout. We're having the party outside. There's the dinner area. This here is the bar area. And check out the special drink they made for us today. This is a red pepper margarita. Yes, it's made with spicy red pepper. Is it
delicious.
hot? It's delicious?
It's not too hot. It's really quite good.
Awesome. I'm gonna give it a try. All right. Cheers to making money online, to living the .com lifestyle, to everything else. Ooh, yeah, that's got a nice kick to it. I like it. Yeah.
Hola! Did you enjoy it here?
Did you had a good time? You had a good time. You enjoyed the mastermind? You enjoy your vacation? Yeah. If Sally came with me, she could have taken care of you, teach you a few things. Made some videos. Okay, let's see what's for dinner. Yeah. Very, very colorful tables and chairs. Yeah, it's a beautiful night for dinner too. I mean, there's like, look, not a cloud in the sky. But let's check out the food. Guacamole, chips, more salad. Must be the soup. Ooh. Uh-huh. Veggies. Wow. Lots of choices. Stroganoff. Ooh. And what do we have here? Uh-huh. Oh, there you go. Beef. I hope this background music does not trigger a copyright strike. And here's a nice selection of desserts. Do I look stupid in this hat?
No, you look. It's very pretty, very stylish.
I don't know.
It's so you.
It's that's what I call a hat. This is Melissa. She's the winner of the video contest. So just so you know, last night you were not going to do it.
I was not.
Yeah, you were not going to do it. You were sitting around the bar with me and Hoeg, and basically we forced you to enter.
You did.
Yeah, we told you to enter, or else we were going to make fun of you on our blogs and just basically give you a bad time. So you were forced to do it, and you won $1,000. So in the end, was it really that hard?
It was not that hard. It was more about putting mind to it and, identifying what you really wanted to do and just putting action to it. That's what I did.
Exactly. And you know what? 145 attendees, only 5 enter. How pathetic is that?
That for me.
And you were going to be one of the pathetic ones.
But I'm not.
You're
I'm
not,
in that
exactly.
list.
You are a winner.
And the difference is because I took action. I took action, and I believe in myself. So
Exactly, all right? So you're a winner, and everyone here, well, they're... Oh, hey, look! Hey, we have the loser. That's right, the loser. You know why you lost? I'll tell you why you lost. Say no to vertical videos.
I won't take much more of your time other than to say thank you. Sit for a few minutes because, you know, we're going to send you home with a bang.